to indicate movement or arrival. Come home, come back, come here, come to the office. She will come home after the meeting. Can you come here for a moment? To express becoming or result. Come true, come to life, come to an end, come into effect. Her dream to study abroad has finally come true. The new policy will come into effect next month. To indicate appearance or emergence, come into view, come out, come to light, come through. The deer suddenly came into view as we walked through the forest. The truth finally came to light after the investigation. To show progress or development. Come along, come together, come far, come a long way. The project is coming along nicely. He has come a long way since starting his career. To indicate an invitation or request. Come in, come over, come along, come for a visit. Come in and make yourself comfortable. They asked us to come over for dinner, to represent occurrence or timing. Come first, come last, come early, come late. Her family always comes first to her. The train came late, so I missed the appointment. To express a sudden realization or understanding. Come to realize, come to know, come to understand, come to terms with. I have come to realize how important family is. She came to terms with her loss after months of grieving. To show belonging or origin. Come from a place, come from a family, come with a manual, come with a warranty. He comes from a small town in Italy. This device comes with a 2-year warranty. Common collocations with come. Come across, come up with, come down, come forward. I came across an interesting article online. She came up with a brilliant solution to the problem. The prices have come down significantly this year. The witness came forward to testify in court.